Word has reached me that you are also making preparations for the King's Daughters fight contest.
Indeed, I have. It is a great honor.
Stop it! I'm not tiny. You're just a bully.
You truly believe you belong in this contest? Look at yourself. Have you already forgotten you are a dwarf?
Are you mad calling me a dwarf?
I meant disrespect.
If you have no respect for yourself, I'll strike you down right here.
Stop it! This isn't funny! It's hilarious! You're cruel! Stay down! Today's the contest!
You have wronged us!
Lies! You will pay! Enough! We will have order!
Justice!